you're posting on social media and you're not getting the results that you want, let's talk about the exact formula that you need to be using in your social media, whether it be Facebook or Instagram, in order to attract more leads into your business, in order to get more sales, more business builders, whether you're doing it affiliate marketing, network marketing, online marketing. This strategy is exactly how I've been able to build a very, very successful network marketing and affiliate marketing business, is using these 5 different social media posts. And definitely make sure you stay to the end, because I'm going to give you my exact formula on how I do all 5 of these different types of posts. All right, so the first thing that you have to realize is that people go on social media because they want to have entertainment, they want to have education, and they want to feel like they are connected to who you are, right? They want to feel a sense of connection, and they want to make sure that you can meet all of these requirements, okay? So when you are building a brand, when you are building a business online, you want to create a sense of community. I want you to think about the fact that social media has now become the reality television show, right? That everybody loves to watch. That's what your social media channel is it's a reality television show. And you need 5 different types of posts on your social media throughout the week that are going to help you draw people to you and help you sell more, and build a profitable online business. All right, so the first type of post that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're letting people into your community, right? What does that mean? That means that you share your tips with your family, you share your life, you're behind the scenes of what you do every day. Think of yourself as an influencer in that you are sharing all of the things that you love, all of the things that you care about, your hobbies, right? People want to get to know you because we join and we buy from people that we like, know, and trust. So most of your videos, most of your posts on social media need to make sure that you let people into your life, right? So what does that mean? That means that you are going to be posting funny family things that you struggle with, right? But you don't necessarily want to air all of your dirty laundry, so to speak. You want to be real and authentic, but you don't want to be trashing everything that's happening in your life. So if you feel like your life is just in disarray, put a little bit of a filter on that. Don't make it so that it's not who you are, right? But you always want to make sure that you're opening people up, you're letting them in, they're getting to know you, because at the end of the day, that's who they're going to join, that's who they're going to buy from, is somebody that they like, know, and trust. And so that is key when you're building an online business. Now, the second thing that you need to be doing is you need to be putting out value-based content. Now, if you're thinking value-based content, what does that mean? Let's talk about it. But really quickly, in the description of this video, I want you to check out my YouTube strategy on how I've built my business using the social media platform YouTube to grow my network marketing business. So in the description of this video, I am going to put for you a link to my masterclass that I've created on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. But let's go back to value-based content, okay? You want to get their attention and you want to educate them, right? You want them to have value from everything that you're putting out there on social media. And the best way to do that is through TikTok Reels, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. It doesn't matter. Short form video, long form video, lives is a great way to educate your audience and provide value for your audience. Because again, that helps create that like, know, and trust when you are putting out value-based content. Now, I know you're probably thinking, what a value do I have to offer? Guess what, guys? You definitely have a passion, a hobby, whether it be knitting, whether it be, playing cards or mahjong or whatever it may be, right? You have some sort of passion, something that you can teach your audience on. For me, it's the Confident Crusaders. I put out a ton of content on how to be confident, how to show up on social media, and how to build a business using video, right? That is my content creation that I put out so that I attract my tribe to me. And I am very consistent about putting out video every single day that provides value for my audience. So that's the second piece of content that you want to put out. Now, I also want to put out a disclaimer right over here, because the third is entertainment, right? People come on, they want to be laughing, they want to have a good time, right? A lot of times we're scrolling through social media because we're trying to break free of what's really happening in our lives, and we want to be entertained, we want to be laughing, and we want to be, just carefree. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're providing entertainment for your audience, whether it be a funny meme, whether it be a funny story that's happened to you, so then you're connecting who you are as well. That is a bonus. Now, here is what you don't want to do. Stop sharing other people's post and sharing it onto your wall. Far too often I see people, and what they're doing is they're just sharing posts, sharing posts, sharing posts, sharing posts, and that's not letting us know who you are. It's not getting the reach that you want. Stop doing that and start creating your own. Now, one of my favorite ways to do this is I use ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is a great online resource. It's new to the market. It helps with artificial intelligence, and I might take like a funny meme, and what I do is I plug it into ChatGPT. I ask it to reword for me and make it a little bit more catchy or whatever it is, and then I put it in my own words and I post it on social media, right? So you can definitely find great content that's already converting, make it your own, and make it funny at the same time. I have a girl on my team. She does this exact same strategy, and she now has like 50,000 followers over on her social media, and everything that she posts, people absolutely love. But the thing is she has made it about them. She is letting them into her world on how she's sarcastic and how she's funny, and she curses because that's who she are and that's who she is, and that is what she is attracting into her business, into her sales, because again, she's being authentic to her, right? But she's also educating us, she's entertaining us, and she has provided a great sense of community by using this strategy, especially when it comes to entertainment. Now, what I'm gonna link over here for you is a video that I have on how I've recruited 100 people into my business in 100 days. I'm gonna link it right over here for you so that you can check it out, because all of these strategies are going to help you bring in business builders, get more sales. It's going to help you skyrocket your business. Like I said, whether it's affiliate marketing, online marketing, network marketing, it doesn't matter. These strategies are perfect for building a brand. Now, the fourth type of content that you want to put out there is called inspire, right? People want to be inspired. People want to feel like they're getting motivated to do something, to have a goal, to do whatever it is. And again, inspirational quotes, inspirational stories are fantastic for sharing. And again, if you're like, okay, but what do I do with this inspirational stuff? Go back to ChatGPT, take an inspirational quote, ask it to reword it, or even better yet, go to ChatGPT and be like, can you write me an inspirational story about X, Y, and Z? And if you can let people into your life about things that you're dealing with, and you inspire them, that's going to help significantly as well. And then finally, you're probably wondering, Julie, don't I need to sell my product? Don't I need to ask people about my business? The answer is yes, you do, but make sure you stay to the end, because I'm going to give you my formula. But the fifth type of content is what I like to call power posts, okay? Now, what are power posts? Power posts is where you use the attraction marketing, the curiosity marketing about your product, about your service, about your business, right? And so through a product post, you're really putting yourself into the other person's shoes, and you're hitting their pain points, whether it be weight loss, whether it be looking for an online business, whether it be hair, skin, nails, it doesn't matter. You're going to craft a well-written, thought-out post that gets people to ask, what is that? Or I want to do that too, right? So you kind of use a little bit of curiosity marketing. You don't spill the beans all the time about your product and your company. The days of pasting a copy and paste video, like a post over there, a stock photo, those days are gone. They don't work. They don't convert, right? And so you want to make sure that you're doing a power post that's hitting your audience's pain points, because you have the solution to it, and you want to craft the post with the question, what is that? I need that, right? If you get those type of responses, then you know you've crafted yourself the perfect power post. Guys, if you're loving this value, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my episodes that I do over here exclusively for my YouTube channel. Definitely make sure you are subscribing. And then here's the formula. This is what I recommend when you're building on social media, right? 80 to 90% of your posts need to be one of the four. They either need to be family, they need to be value, they need to be education, and they need to be entertainment. 80 to 90% of the time. The 10% of the time, which means maybe about one post a week, you can craft that power post that's more about your business and your opportunity and your products, right? That's when those come in. So you sprinkle those in, and that's how you create a loyal fan of people that love you, that like you, that trust you. Now, here's the kicker, all right? And this is why you need to subscribe, because next week I'm going to be dropping a video on how to sell through your stories, right? Because you're probably saying, well, that's not enough. How do people really know that I'm open for business? The way that you find that people are open for business is you can sell every single day in your stories. And I'm going to dive into stories and how to make sure that you're crafting the perfect stories that's begging people to ask you what it is you're doing about the sale, how to get engagement, okay? And definitely make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Now, my question for you is, what type of content do you personally like to watch or see over on social media? Let me know in the comments, and I can't wait to hear it. All right, have a great day.